Imagine having all your customer service tasks, workflow automation, and team collaboration neatly handled in one place, saving you hours of time each day. Whether you're a solopreneur juggling multiple roles or leading a growing team, there's a tool that can transform the way you work. It's called Fineguide, and right now, it's available at an unbeatable lifetime deal on AppSumo. You won't believe how much time, stress, and money this tool can save you. Let's dive into why Fineguide is a must-have and how it can completely revolutionize your workflow. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the tool, let's talk about who this deal is perfect for. Fineguide is built for business owners, entrepreneurs, freelancers, and customer support teams. Basically, anyone who deals with multiple customer inquiries or manages a team of people. If you're tired of the constant back and forth with customers or frustrated with managing workflows using different tools, this one platform can consolidate it all for you. So, if you want more time to focus on growing your business instead of being stuck in the daily grind, Fineguide is exactly what you need. Let's talk about what makes Fineguide so impressive. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice the simplicity and power behind its features. First off, automation is the name of the game here. Fineguide can automate repetitive tasks like answering FAQs or handling customer support tickets. Imagine how much time you can free up when you're not manually responding to the same questions over and over again. On top of that, it's also a collaboration hub. You can assign tasks, track progress, and communicate with your team, all in one place. No more missed deadlines or confusion about who's doing what. But what really makes Fineguide special is how smooth and intuitive the experience is. You don't have to be a tech expert to figure it out. The interface is super user-friendly, so you can hit the ground running and start seeing results fast. Let's see how the Fineguide works. Fineguide is a platform that provides AI virtual assistants for any business. You can create your own assistant that can learn the content of any website document or even spreadsheet and provide instant insights. The assistants have the highest accuracy rates on the market, making them more reliable. The Fineguide has predefined roles such as customer support, sales assistant, or tech support. Each role has predefined behavior rules. A sales assistant will try to suggest products or generate leads, while tech support will try to help with technical issues, but that's not all. Fineguide assistants can provide widgets such as YouTube videos, weather, and even financial widgets. The Fineguide also supports human escalation by going to Contact Support in the top menu. When users open a ticket, the platform will notify them. They also support integration with Z's and Help Scout, which allows a smooth integration in case you are already using these platforms. So join now at Fineguide and enjoy the power of AI directly on your website. How can Fineguide help you? Now let's break down how Fineguide can actually help you and your business. Boost productivity. With automated workflows, you're cutting out the manual, time-consuming tasks that bog down your day. You'll find yourself getting more done in less time, leaving you with the freedom to focus on more important things, like scaling your business. Improve customer experience. By automating your responses, you're ensuring customers get quick, accurate answers every time. No more delays or dropped conversations. And we all know that happier customers mean more loyalty and sales. Streamline team collaboration. Fineguide allows your team to stay on the same page with task assignments, progress tracking, and seamless communication. It's like having a digital assistant organizing everything for you. Now, as with anything, Fineguide isn't perfect. Let's talk about a couple of downsides. First off, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you've never used automation tools before. But the good news? Once you get the hang of it, the benefits far outweigh the initial setup time. Also, while Fineguide handles a lot of tasks, it might not have every single feature you need if you're running a highly specialized business. However, for most people, the functionality it offers is more than enough to cover the essentials and beyond. So, let's wrap this up. Fineguide is an absolute game changer for businesses looking to streamline their workflows, improve customer service, and boost productivity. It saves you time, cuts costs, and helps you grow. And here's the best part. Fineguide is currently available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. No recurring fees, just pay once and enjoy unlimited access forever. If you're serious about making your business run smoother, grab this deal now while it's still available. You can find the link in the description below. Don't wait, this deal won't last forever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.